Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your subject teacher of general knowledge, and today I am going to teach you a chapter number 9, and the chapter name is Who's Who? Close relation. Close relation. Students, the chapter name is Who's Who and Close Relation. Spelling of close, C-L-O-S-E, close, relation, R-E-L-A-T-I-O-N, relation, close relation. So student, first of all, let's have a quick overview on this chapter. Here I will tell you about the what is close relation, importance of close relation, and some examples of close relation. First of all, student, you need to know about what is close relations. Close relations. The parents-child relationship is one that nurtures the physical, emotional, and social development of the child. It is a unique bond that every child and parent can enjoy and nurture. This relationship lays the foundation for the child personality, life choice, and overall behaviors. Here, students, close relationship is very important for child development, for child physical, emotional, and social development. So, close relationship with parents, with your teacher is very important for the development of your child physically, emotionally, and socially. So, this relationship lays the foundation for the child personality. If any parents have close relation with their child, then in this relationship can improve the personality of your child. And if you are comfortable with your child, if any parents are comfortable with their child, then children tell about their liking and disliking to their parent very comfortably. So students, I think you know very well what is close relationship. I think you all are understand about what is close relations. Now come on next. Importance of close relation. Importance of close relation, because close relations is very important for any children, for any children, for emotionally, socially, and physically development, and to develop positive attitude, to regulate their emotions in a better way, to promote social and emotional development are the importance of a close relationship. Now come on, first, to develop positive relationship. Importance of close relationship is to develop positive relationship. Children who have healthy relationship with their parents are more likely to develop positive relationship with other people around them. Here, according to this point, children whose children have positive relation with their parent, then they develop positive relationship with their friends, teachers, and any person around them. So, this is the first importance of close relation. Second, to regulate their emotions in a better way. They are better at regulating their emotions when faced with stress and difficult situation. Here, students, in second topic, in second importance of close relationship is to regulate their emotions in a better way. If any children have a positive relation or good relation with their parents, then these children can regulate their own emotions by in a better way. When the children face with stress and difficult situation, then they can handle their own emotion in a very good way, very better way. Now come on, next important third, to promote social and emotional development. Here students, if any children have positive or good relations with their parents, then the children improve their personality and their social and emotional development is will be very good. So this is the third importance. A secure attachment with parents help promote a child cognitive, emotional and social development. It also help kids exhibit positive social behavior. If any children have social and emotional development, then they exhibit positive social behavior. It also help kids exhibit positive and social behavior. So students, these are the importance of close relations. Now come on, some examples of close relations. First, grandmother. Grandmother is also an example of a close relation. Who is grandmother and what is grandmother? The mother of your father, yani the mama of your papa, the mother of your father is called a grandmother. In Hindi, you call your grandmother dadi. Now come on, second, grandfather. The father of your father is called a grandfather. The father of your father is called a grandfather. In Hindi, you call your grandfather Baba. Now come on, third, maternal aunt. The sister of your mother is called a maternal aunt. The sister of your mummy is called a maternal aunt. And you can call your maternal aunt Masi. Now come on, fourth, uncle. The brother of your father is called uncle. The brother of your father, the brother of your papa is called uncle. And in Hindi, you can call chacha. Come on, fifth, maternal aunt. The brother of your mother is called maternal aunt. The brother of your mummy is called maternal aunt. It means mama. Come on, six, parents. The father and mother are called parents. The father and mother, collectively you can call it parents. In parents, their father and mother are both come in a parents. Come on, seven, cousins. The children of your uncle are cousins. The children of your uncle, the children of your chacha is called cousins. Now come on, next, aunt. The sister of your father is called aunt. The sister of your papa is called aunt. So students, I think you all are understand about what is close relation, important of close relation and some examples of close relations. Now come on the exercises. Look at the screen. Fill in the blanks with correct relationship. Here students, you have to fill all this blank space with correct relationship. Like my father's father is my father's father is my. What you called your father's father? What do you called your father's father? I think grandfather. So students, you have to fill all these boxes from this help box. Grandfather. In first you have to write grandfather. Come on, second. My father's mother is your father's mama. What do you call your father's mama? What do you call your father's mama? Grandmother. So student, you have to feel grandmother at this boxes, at the second box. Now come on. Third, my father and my mother are my father and my mother are what do you call your father and mother collectively? Parents. So student, you have to write parents from this help kit and write in third parents. Come on, fourth. My mother's sister is my mother's sister, your mama's sister. What do you call your mama's sister? Maternal aunt. So student, you have to choose maternal aunt from this help kit and write at this boxes. So students, come on, fifth. Come on, fifth. My father's sister is what do you call your father's sister? What do you call your papa's sister? What do you call? Aunt. So students, you have to choose aunt from this help kit, aunt, and write at this boxes. Come on, six. My uncle's daughter is what do you call your uncle's daughter? What do you call your uncle's daughter? Your chacha daughter. Cousin. So student, you have to choose cousin from this help kit and write at this boxes. Now come on, seven. My father's brother is what do you call your papa's brother? What do you call? Uncle. So students, you have to feel uncle at this boxes from this help kit. Now come on, eight. Come on, eight. My mother's brother is what do you call your mama brother's? Maternal uncle. So student, you have to feel maternal uncle from this help kit and write at this given box. So students, I hope you all are understand about the close relations and the importance of close relation and the examples of close relation. And in last, students, you have to write this, fill in the blanks. You have to write this fill in the blanks in your CW copy. Thank you.